Welcome back to Keto Journey. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. Well, we all know Mike don't have a smoker, so Mike is gonna make boneless country style ribs, pork ribs, but I'm gonna use my pressure cooker. So let's see if we can get her started. Okay, so I'm heating up the pan here inside it. This is an Instant Pot. And I'm going to heat it up, and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil down in the bottom of it. Love olive. You gotta love olive. Thank you, Tom and Marie Garvey, again. Let that get hot, and then we're going to put these, let them saute. Just kind of put a little sear on the outside. And hopefully that'll help some. And then we're going to show you what the rest of it is. But I've already prepared my meat. I've rubbed it down with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. And just going to let this heat up. Alrighty, so I put one down. Let's put the other one down. Get a sizzle. Gotta love the sizzle. Wash off my hands. We're just gonna saute these in here before we pressure cook them. And see what we can work out here. Let these get their little thing done and get some color on them, and then we'll go from there. Okay, for pressure cooking, we're going to pressure cook on high. We're on high, and we're going to cook for 30 minutes. And that ought to do it right there. Give us some good ribs right there. All right, so 30 minutes and she's all set, and I put the oven on to 500 degrees already, so it'll preheat. I didn't go all the way to broil because this pan's not rated for that high, so it'll go up to 500, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just going to spread on some sugar-free Sweet Baby Ray's sauce. I did a natural, a release on the pressure cooker after it was done. Didn't let it natural release. I did a manual release. Get these painted up, and they'll go in there under the broiler and get a little more color on them. Turn them over. Do that side too. And then I'll come back and I'll put them back over on the other side though. Uh-oh. Sweet Baby Ray has outbit the dust. This is a Ninja cook pan. It is non-stick and it is fan-dang-tastic. That one's on the side that I want, so I'm not gonna worry about flipping it. Whoop, look at there. Now that'll show you right there. It's just falling off of it. It's falling apart on me. That tells you how tender that vegetable is. Put a little more on here. And then we'll be in the oven. off to the oven she goes. 500 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You don't want it to burn. You just want to get it a little charred and a little caramelized. All right. And there are our ribs. Country style ribs, done in the pressure cooker, finished in the oven. Hope you'll give this a try. They're very tender and very tasty. So until the next time, this is Mike at Keto Journey saying let's be careful out there. So the lovely Miss Paige has consented to a taste test, and she has been eager to eat it. And I told her, wait, let me get the camera out. So this is boneless country style pork ribs, done in the pressure cooker, then finished in the oven on broil. So go ahead, dear. Let us hear what you think. There you have it. Thank you, my love.
It's very good. Very good. Very good.
So, I know it smells wonderful. And I had a little bite myself and I loved it. So, alrighty. Thank you, my dear. Finger licking. I'm glad. Thank you, my dear.